Hi everyone! Jen here, and for today's video ay may isi-share ako sa inyo na document na pwede nyong i-download from Upwork if isa kang Upwork freelancer and may planned ka na international travel this year. Yes! So, isa po sa mga struggles ng isang freelancer like me on Upwork is to prove that we have strong ties in the Philippines, and at the same time, we have enough funds or we have a consistent cash flow or flow of funds to fund our travels. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a document that will help you prove that you have a consistent flow of income and that you're an Upwork freelancer. So yeah, if you're interested, just keep on watching. All right, guys. So I'm looking at my Upwork homepage. All you have to do is go to reports and then go to certificate of earnings. And then after that, magre-reload siya sa ibang page or ibang window. And you will be able to download this document with your name, your title, your Upwork profile URL, when ka nag-start sa Upwork, and then yung mga service contract payments received. So yan, may mga amounts yan with the signature, and you can download it from your computer and print it to show sa immigration officer na Upwork freelancer ka talaga. So yeah, that's it guys. So that was it guys. I know it is super quick pero hindi natin alam, 'di ba? May mga iba tayong mga kasamang freelancer sa Upwork na hindi nila alam kung paano kukunin yung document na yun. So I hope that this was able to help you guys, and yeah, have a safe travels and see you soon.